Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're back again with another video. We've got an Amazon wig review. You know, I be loving doing these series. I can honestly spend all my money on Amazon, but today we have a 613 unit by Bele hair store. I bought this in 26 inches and I'm gonna show you guys the length. This is gonna be a very quick video. I'm not actually gonna talk through the tutorial. I'm gonna let you guys just watch me do the hair, but this is some amazing blonde hair. I do find that it's very difficult to actually find very good quality blonde hair, and just look at how amazing it is, guys. Like, the lace took the foundation so well. There is a bit of shedding, but it's not crazy. It's a 13 times full frontal, so it does have a parting all the way back here, but on the sides it is only 2 inches of lace, so you can see that the tracks stop here. But that for me isn't a problem, as I'm not going to be wearing a deep side part. I'm only going to wear it in the middle. I'll probably do half up, half down, and then I'll do like a off the side, like what I've got on here today. I'm very excited to show you guys how I installed this hair. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my hair videos. And if you're new here, hi guys, welcome to the family. Yeah, I'm gonna jump straight into the video.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. That's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, but tell me what you like about it. You a type of little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fucker friends that send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. I'm too sexy for this.